Assalamualaikum and very good day. Today our group will present for problem-based assignment for DFK50083 Python Programming, which is the Electricity Bill Estimator Application developed using Streamlit. First, I will explain the input handling module. So first for the objective of this module is to collect user input before any processing is done. In our system, we use Streamlit functions such as st.textInput, such here, to create three input fields: name, previous reading, and current reading. This step is important because it ensures all data is collected in a structured format before calculation begin. This module acts as a foundation of the system because accurate input is necessary for the correct output. Okay, so that's all from me. Next, I'll give Danil.
Hello, test. All right. Thank you, Wahet. For the next one, I will explain the usage and bill calculation module. How this part work. Okay. First, the system calculates electricity usage by taking the difference between the current meter and the current meter reading and the previous meter reading. For the example, if the previous reading is 100 kilowatts per hour and the current reading is 1000 kilo per hour, the usage will be 200 kilo per hour. Okay, for the first 200 kilo per hour, the rate is RM 0.218 per kilo per hour. All right, for the next 10 kilo per hour, the rate is RM 0.334 per hour. All right, for any usage above 300 kilo per hour, the rate will be 0.516. Okay. All right. So if a user use more electricity, the extra usage will be charged at higher rate lah. Okay, we implemented this in Python using conditional statement. Sorry. This module is important because it makes the billing process faster, more accurate, and reduces human errors. All right, that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter lah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Now I will now explain the validation and exception handling and usage calculation support, which is before calculating the bill, the system determines electricity usage using the formula below, which is the usage kilowatt current, and the reading include to be a minus and previous and the slash reading 1. Okay, this formula is important because it shows how much electricity is consumed. Okay, for validation, we ensure all input fields are not empty. As you see, in the current reading must be greater than previous reading. So yeah, so like that. For the next one, all input are not empty, and the current reading is not less than previous reading. So we also implemented try except for the exception handling. Okay, for the example, if the user enters invalid input like text instead of numbers, the system will display an error like message instead of crashing. So like we try the output, it will be error like the invalid input. Please enter numeric values for the meter readings. So this is improved system reliability and ensures smooth user experience. And yeah, for the exception handling, the validation, that's all for the output and the coding. So that's all for my part. Thank you. I will pass to next person to the presentation.
Yes. Good evening. My name is Maran. Matrix number 70DIT23F2046. I explain about the output display and interface. So the system present above result using Streamlit function like st.subheader and st.write. So the output includes home owner name, meter readings, total usage, total bill, usage category like low, moderate, or high. So the output, we can see the output when I click the calculate build button. So we also formatted the bill to 2 decimal places for better presentation. This module ensures the result is clear, organized, and user-friendly. In conclusion, this project helps us apply Python concepts such as function GUI using Streamlit and exception handling in a real-world application. So we also practice teamwork, task distribution, and professional ethics. Thank you so much. That's all for me.
Okay, all.